there was one incident that has become a huge debate talking point this week. It's been the piles of cash found at a sitting judge's residence. The three-judge panel has been formed by the Chief Justice of India, visited Justice Verma's residence, wanted to investigate further for the half-burnt cash haul that was recovered. The Allahabad High Court Bar Association, meanwhile, remember, has announced they will go on an indefinite strike from 25th March to protest the proposed repatriation of the Delhi High Court judge. They don't want him to be transferred because there are serious allegations right now that have come against him. In a political showdown, the Vice President of the country and Rajya Sabha Chairperson, Jagdeep Dhankar, met the opposition leaders and the leader of the House. And there are, remember, several layers that have come to this very sensitive and serious case. Usually, members of judiciary are considered above scrutiny. Here, a huge question mark.
The probe into the alleged cash haul at a Delhi High Court judge's house gathers steam. The three-judge panel appointed by the Chief Justice of India visited Justice Yashwant Verma's residence on Tuesday.
Sources informed India Today that probe committee comprising Chief Justices of Punjab and Haryana High Court, Karnataka High Court and Himachal Pradesh High Court had arrived here, and in fact they spent around 45 minutes inquiring about the incident. In fact, they also recorded statement of Justice Verma and in fact also visited the exact spot or the exact room that had caught fire and where this alleged recovery of burned cash notes was made.
The Supreme Court Collegium has recommended transfer of Justice Yashwant Verma to the Allahabad High Court, but the decision has triggered protest. The Allahabad High Court Bar Association has begun an indefinite strike, raising concerns over allegations of corruption against the judge.
हमारी ये लड़ाई इसलिए हो रही है कि मेरे यहाँ जो हार्ड वर्किंग ऑनेस्ट जजेस हैं, आज उनकी छवि खतरे में पड़ी हुई है। इलाहाबाद हाई कोर्ट को डंपिंग ग्राउंड समझ लिया है। जो भी होगा उसको आप कहीं करप्शन के चार्ज पे कहीं कोई जज को ट्रांसफर किया किसी डाउट पे, तो इलाहाबाद हाई कोर्ट वहां ट्रांसफर कर दो।
Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar called a meeting of floor leaders to discuss the cash haul.
I have scheduled a meeting after seeking convenience at 4:30 p.m. today with the floor leaders as suggested by leader of the opposition and agreed to by leader of the House. I am sure we will have very fruitful interaction and find a way out.
The opposition raised the issue in Parliament.
In-house procedure of the judicial system is concurrent and independent to what Parliament does. And the constitutional procedure with regard to the oversight of judiciary has been laid down very explicitly in the Constitution of India. If the Law Minister does not make a statement to Parliament, he would be in violation of constitutional propriety.
The cash was recovered on March 14 when a fire broke out at Justice Verma's residence. The Supreme Court later posted videos of burning cash submitted by the Delhi police.
Mr. Justice Yashwant Verma.
Justice Verma, in response to Delhi High Court Chief Justice, dismissed any link to the cash. With Nalini Sharma and Rahul Gautam, Bureau Report, India Today.